Rides na kami.
Thank you so much.
Start na kami mag-rides. Mga master.
Okay, we are down to, it's 8:24, 6 minutes to go. Countdown tayo ha. At 8:29, 30 seconds to protect the earth and to serve others, to live with compassion and responsibility. We also lift up the communities we serve, and may the simple donations we share tonight bring hope, opportunity, and brighter futures. Guide us to be stewards of your creation, to care deeply, act boldly, and continue making a difference, one step, one word, one act at a time. We offer everything to you, Lord, with grateful hearts. Amen. Amen. All right.
Ride out na nga kami. Ayan, dito na kami sa kilagitnaan. Kami sa laruan ng volleyball. At dumating na nga po kami sa finish line.
Can I request a few volunteers here sa front to assist with the awarding of special awards sa ating mga participants tonight? Wow!
Brother Choy.
So much. May isa lang kaming dilemma. Yung mga group na hindi yata nilagay kung anong grupo sila. Si Padjak Cool ang nakita. May grupo pa ba dito? Please, everyone to acknowledge yung may pinakamarami sa isang grupo. We need to know the name of the group. Kasi a few of you